What's up, guys? We're back. I know, it's been a while. And look at this day. Oh my gosh. It's like hazy. You can definitely feel it in the air. It's October 25th, 2025. And I got a couple things I wanted to share with you. One is my Santa Clara Gold. We had heavy winds and it knocked. Hold on, let me show you. So this right here is my lamb, and the lamb fell over from heavy winds. It wasn't really rooted that well, and I didn't really stake it up that well, but it fell over, and then I had some seedlings in the back there that fell over, and it knocked a couple of fruit off of my Santa Clara Gold, which is right here. Okay, there's a trunk right there. One thing that it's doing, and I wish I would have tried to, I guess I wish I would have tried to straighten it out earlier, but it's pretty late now to be able to try to straighten it out. It's definitely leaning, and it's got lots of fruit. So that's part of the problem. That was part of what was going on that caused it to lean the first time last year. And it had so much fruit that it kind of was leaning over. And same thing this year. So what I did was I put a stake here. So this stake has been holding up this branch right here, and within this branch there's a lot of fruit. So, and wow, I haven't been in here in a while, so some of the fruit already starting to, this is kind of changing color here, which is kind of odd for this time of year. We're in October, so it is what it is. The fruit is actually sizing up really nicely though. Here's one on this side, another one. But I mean, considering how much fruit we got, it's definitely a winner. So, I mean, I've only had this tree in the ground for a couple years and it's already this big and producing right away. So I wanted to kind of show you what this tree looks like right now. But I also have a fruit that fell off the tree about 2 weeks ago when we had the heavy winds, and it was completely green and it turned black on the outside, and it feels soft today. So we're gonna cut it open and do a taste test real quick. So this is a Santa Clara Gold that fell off the tree. We had some heavy winds maybe about 2 weeks ago, and it was completely green, and I decided to just kind of hold on to it. It's actually decent size, and it's feeling soft now. We're in October. It's like October 25th, 2025. So this is really, really early for this fruit. So I'm gonna actually cut it open and actually see what it looks like on the inside, and maybe do a little taste test on it early in the season. We'll see. So I cut it, and let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Trying to do this one-handed here. It actually doesn't look that bad. Okay. It still peels really nicely. Look at that. So let's take a little bite. Actually, it's not bad. Wow, this is really early. I'm sure, I've had it later on in the season. I've had it probably January, February, and it was okay. So we're in October, and it's already tasting this good. So we'll keep an eye on this. And, it's good to know that if you do drop a couple, and if they do turn kind of black like this, it's not a bad tasting fruit already. Santa Clara Gold, not bad. Wow, so considering we're in October, this is super early in the season for Santa Clara Gold, and it's still tasting this good already. I'm thinking this is going to be one of those trees that I think everybody has to have in their backyard. It's definitely a winner, and you know the flavors just can get even better and better as we progress throughout the year, and then more oils kind of develop. Well, hopefully you guys are all doing well. I just want to do a quick pan to show you how everything's kind of looking today. And you know, we got a good fruit set, not great, but you know, we're gonna definitely have some fruit, and we'll see how it goes. But on my next video, I wanted to show you some of my grafts that I've started doing, and I want to show you some of the varieties that I got that are new and unique. So I'll probably do the video pretty soon here so you can actually see it, and then kind of share some of these new varieties that I got that I'm excited about. All right, anyways, talk to you guys later. See ya.